Hi, I'm Amber Westies, Instruction Librarian at Union University. Today we're going to look at how to find a book at the MCUTS campus. If you're wanting to find books in the library, you'll want to search the library's catalog. There are two ways to find books in the library. The first is using the MCUTS Research Guide, which is located on the Research Guide quick link on the library's homepage, uu.edu/library. After arriving on the MCUTS Research Guide, you'll want to choose Finding Books. Here you'll see a search box where you can search the library's catalog. There are also additional tips for finding books in the library. The way I'm going to show you today is using the library's main page and the search box in the middle labeled Search Books. In the search box, you'll type your search topic, or if you know the author or title of the book, you can search that as well. At the top of the list, you'll see the number of results. 956 results were found at Union, but this includes all of Union's campuses. To find books only located at MCUTS, you'll want to use the filter under Held by Library, then choose MCUTS. This will narrow your search to only those books found at MCUTS campus. You can click the title of the book to see what it's about. There should be a summary and a table of contents if it's available. On the right-hand side, you'll also see where the book is actually located. You'll need to know that it's at the MCUTS stacks, and you'll need this number, that's the call number, and on the spine of the book. If you need help finding a book, please ask a librarian and we'd be happy to help you. To find ebooks, you'll want to type your search topic in the search bar. Then use the format filter to find ebooks. Next, you'll scroll through to find a title that has a summary that sounds like it might match your topic. You can also check the table of contents and the description to see if it matches what you're looking for. Next, use the View eBook option to open and access the ebook. You'll be taken to a page called the Detailed Record, which includes the description or summary, a table of contents if it's available, and the citation information you need. Use the EPUB or PDF full text option to access the ebook online. This is going to be the best option for using ebooks. If you have questions about accessing an ebook or finding a print book, please contact a librarian and we'd be happy to help you. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see new content, subscribe to our channel. If you have suggestions for new videos, please drop it in the comments.